Hey, Pete here with PeteGustis.com with a great property for you. This is a ranch home that is on 10.66 acres. It's 3,346 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. The nice thing about this ranch home is it used to be a bed and breakfast. So if you want to use it for that purpose, you can use it. The address is 3283 Route 30 in Sudbury, Vermont. The other great thing about this home is it's actually a stick-built home. Stick-built means it's normal construction. What the owner did is they wanted it to be like a log home, but they wanted all the new insulation and quality that you get in a regular built home, because log homes can be not as insulated well and just, problematic. So you got the best of both worlds, and if you don't like logs, you can transfer it back. They put log facings on the outside and inside of the home, and then the regular construction is just a regular house. So if you wanted to take all the logs, you got a regular home. Let's look at the layout of this. And by the way, I'm going to have a 3D tour I'm walking you through. There's going to be a link in the description if you want to check through yourself and take more time. Please feel free to do that. So, the layout of the land here, you can see the 10.66 acres is subdivided. You're going to have your own private driveway. You already do. And now that you're looking at the layout of the house, this is a 2-car garage on the side, mudroom, hallway, your back patio, living room and dining room are an open floor plan to the kitchen. And then you have your bonus room, bedroom, master bedroom with its own bathroom and separate bathroom. Your stairwell here, that goes to the basement. In the basement you have a large family room, a storage closet, bedroom, bathroom, and then 2 utility rooms for storage and a den. So this gives you a lot of different options here. Whether you want to turn it back into a bed and breakfast or just use it for a private residence, you have a lot of room, a lot of options. Let's look at the virtual tour. So, starting at the front entryway, you can see the front of the home and the wood beams. You can also see the log facings. And here's a view from your front porch. So even though it's just off of Seth Memorial Highway, with your long driveway, it is very, very private. Once you get off that highway, it's quiet. Walking into your living room, you'll notice the vaulted ceilings, wood construction, chimney, hardwood floorings throughout. And this takes us into the dining area and living room. But first we're going to go check out the bedrooms and the basement. You've got a bonus room that you can explore. The link will be in the description if you want to take your time, but I'm going to try to do a quick run through because I know a lot of people are busy. Your shared bathroom here. By the way, this is newer construction. It's built in 1987. So your shared bathroom looks very nice. Since this was built as a bed and breakfast, that's why it has a rustic look. But you could remodel how you see fit. And your bedroom here, vaulted ceiling. Very nice design. You of course have your closets in every room. And your master, vaulted closet, ceiling fan. This is radiant heat. Nice hardwood flooring. Claw tub. We're going to check out the basement first. If you remember the basement layout, here you can actually check the layout at any time. Just click on this icon. Large family room, bedroom, closet, bathroom, utility rooms. So we'll look at part of this. Okay, your family room here. Gives you lots of room, closet. The home was in process of getting cleaned out, so excuse some of the 3D images here. It's not going to be this messy when you come here, but they are working on getting everything removed. One of the utility rooms I'll show you here, just for storage, of course, but this gives you plenty of room for storage of your items. And I'm going to show you the other storage area. You've got central vac and you have a walkout. So you have all these options here. So here is the living room and dining room, excuse me. And your dining room. You have a kitchen with a breakfast bar. So you have plenty of room here if you wanted to use this as a bed and breakfast. Vaulted ceilings, nice stonework, plenty of cabinets, dishwasher. And this goes into your mudroom. And your garage. So you can see the stick-built construction here. Concrete flooring. Keep in mind it is newer. So your mudroom is a breezeway. It goes out to the front. As well, it goes out to the back patio. And you can see from here, it's a great place to relax. You can see the quality of the construction of the beams. This is all facing, so easily removed if you don't want it. Or if you just want to redo the interior, you can redo the interior so it doesn't look like a log home, but then you'll have the exterior logs. So you do have options as far as everything's concerned. So what do you think of the tour? If you want a private tour, call me at 610-209-9219. It's Pete Gustis for 3283 Route 30 in Vermont. Brokers are protected, so if you have a real estate agent, we'll work with them. We have this price to sell, and there's a link for the virtual tour so you can check it out yourself. Have a great day.